Right, Alex, there's another part of the workshop to show us, which is the bit up here,
Yeah, that's just
the mezzanine. With and you
mezzanine
pointed
floor.
out all these lovely paintings.
Yeah,
and,
well, we've got a little art competition going on. We have these bits of panel left over, that's basically waste. So we've turned them into little paintings.
That's
We've
great.
got a little competition going on.
And one of them's yours, apparently.
Yeah, they're not very good ones. It's Courtney, my stepdaughter. Hello. And walking over here. So we have a little, Justin works here, but you've met Justin. Justin is the guy who paints downstairs.
Okay.
This is Evie, my granddaughter. Hello, Evie.
Hi.
And then it's Paul in here. Paul does the research and development.
Hi, Paul. You right?
Hello. So we are making this bed. I can't demonstrate how it works. You can see it's a fold-down bed, but it's got to be bolted to the wall.
So
for it
this
to
is
work.
to go in the studios.
This is going in the studio outside. So watch this space. You'll see this outside. A video for this outside next week. And this is something else Paul's doing, which is bifold doors that the Paul's building, which just fold back. So
Okay.
that'll be between the that'll be in the annexes. When we put two studios together, you'll be able to close each one off from each other.
Okay.
And customers are asking for this. We'll be able to send them off the videos.
Okay. Brilliant. Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you for that.